Welcome to my video. In this video, you will learn how to solve Google Search Console error like crowd currently not indexed. In this error, you will not be index your URL in Google and lots of people facing this error and I will show you how to solve this error within a 5 minutes. Okay, so first of all you have to go to your Google Search Console, click pages, and here you can find the 15,000 URL is not currently indexed in my website. And this is my website name, newsmug.in. This is my website name. Okay. And you will just open my website and see this is simple and news related website. Okay. So in this website, I am facing the L- I think crawl currently not index in 10,741. 10,741 pages is post not indexed because of this error. So everyone know this error is very critical, and because of this error your pages or your post not indexed in Google, and your URL is not indexed means you are not getting any traffic from Google. Okay, so let's check. This is my URL, and just skip this URL after feed. Okay, after URL, if you getting this URL feed, this is not a URL, this is feed index. Okay, just go to another URL and I will find out. Yesterday, I just solved this error. This is my URL and this is crowd currently not index. But right now, this is the crowd. Okay, just to show you. So is it indexed. Okay, so yesterday I just use my technique to solve this error. So I just a minute, I will show you. 2nd June 2025 to 1 4. Okay, this is timing. I have just use my technique to index this URL, and another URL which is not indexed in my Google, this like another without fade. Okay, okay, so this is URL I want to index. Okay, so I just click here and you will see this is URL is not indexed, currently not indexed. This page is not indexed, crawled currently not indexed. Okay, so there is a two step. Okay, just to show you, I'm just I just inform you there is a two step. First step is a Discord currently not indexed and crowd currently not indexed. Two type of error will become on your Google Search Console. First step is basic step, and this is the basic check. If your URL is basic not compatible, then you will getting the Discord currently not indexed, and after that if this basic check is passed, then URL will be come to crawling stack, and here is advanced check and my all the 10,000 URL in here. Okay, crawler currently not indexed. Okay, this advanced check is stuck, and my all the URL like 10,000 URL is stuck over here. Okay, so how to solve this error? Crowdly currently not indexed. Crowd currently not indexed. Okay, so just go to your URL one by one. This type of error. Okay, so this is the error, and this both the URL I want to show you. Peer Baba ko bulane ka mantra. This is URL. Just copy this URL and open in your website. Okay, in edit mode you have to open this URL in edit mode. Before going to edit mode, you just check this is the index or not. Okay, so just I will check. and this URL, this page is not indexed, scroll currently not indexed, means this is the second step. My URL is come and here is not passed. Okay, so just I will show you how to pass this URL in second step. Okay, so just go to your website and open this URL in edit mode. Okay, and if you are using RankMath or any SEO, just go to here and this box, just click here, and here is the index. Okay, just click here. This is not index, just save it. Okay, after that, okay, after saving, just go to your Google Search Console and here just paste this URL. Okay, and paste it here and just enter here for inspect. Here is the one error is coming, your URL is no index tag. Okay, just to show you, I'm just showing you the error message. Okay, and here is one error will become, your URL no index tag. Okay, just wait. Okay, indexing rejected. Okay, during live testing, indexing issue were detected with this error. View live test. Here is the page cannot be indexed, excluded by no index tag. Because of that, I have no index tag detected and robot meta. Okay, so here I just no index, just index is and save it again. Okay, okay, this is the basic step. Okay, after saving, just to go to your Google Search Console and again you can forcefully index. Okay, request indexing. Okay, I'm just forcefully indexing to my URL to Google. Okay, just that, and here is the indexing requested. Okay, just test live URL. If something is wrong, then red signal will become. Okay, just wait. And this is the practically video. This video will be long, but I'll just show you how to solve this crowd currently not indexed error. And this error will be very critical error. Okay, so URL is Google. URL is available to Google. Okay, so just after 5 to 10 minutes you will check again and you will get a green signal. Okay, right now it's not possible, but after 5 to 10 minutes, just check your URL will be indexed. Before I am going to check result, yesterday or yesterday I just same technique I use and I have index 5 to 10 URL index. Like this is not index, but right now you can check this is indexed. Okay, okay. And another one is I just, this is yesterday I just use my technique and I will show you yesterday, 2nd June 2025. And another is, mm, just a minute, I will show you another URL. Just a minute. Okay, yeah, this is this URL. I just yesterday I just use same technique. This is indexed. Okay, and yesterday I just pasted this URL 25 my, just a minute, indexing requesting. Okay, and this is validate. Okay, so use this technique to solve your errors. Okay, so one by one you can check each and every without using this feed URL, just skip, and after that you will definitely get a good result. This is index and this is not index, just indexing request, but it's showing error. Just go to open your URL in edit mode. Okay, edit this post, go to your rank math, here box, no index tag, save it. Again, go to your Google Search Console and again paste this same URL, top song, paste for indexing. Here you can get a one error, no index tag will be detected. Okay, after that, okay, this is critical error, but you can solve by my technique. Okay, one by one. It's not a bulk, but one by one you can solve. Or if you want to solve this error in bulking, you have to paste this is the error, no index tag detected over here. Just go to your edit mode. This is not, this is okay. And just a minute, this also not. There is file. Okay, just go to your URL, copy, open in edit mode, and here is the box, index, save it. Again, go to your Google Search Console, and here you can paste your URL for forcefully index. Okay, request indexing. This is 2 to 5 step you can solve this error, but one by one you have to paste your URL in Google Search Console. Also, one by one you can edit your URL in no index, and after that index again. Okay, okay, and text live URL within a 5 to 10 minute your URL will be shown in Google. Okay, so this technique will be very helpful if your post is not available in Google, and this error will become on this is my URL. Okay, and before I have just pasted this Peer Baba ko bulane ka month, I will just check this is index or not. Not index. You can wait 4 to 5 minutes again, and you will get definitely good result, green signal. And this very simple technique and useful technique, and just comment me if you getting some green signal or not. Okay, so this is my video. If this video is helpful for you, just comment me and like this video and share this video for your blogger team. Thank you for watching and bye bye.